Welcome to the public information presentation for the Hinchey Road Rehabilitation Project. This is a locally funded highway rehabilitation project being progressed by the Monroe County Department of Transportation. This presentation will discuss project-related items including the project area, existing conditions, and summarize the project objectives. You will also hear about the considered improvements that are being proposed and gain an understanding of how they will be incorporated into the area. We will finish by discussing the anticipated project schedule and how you may contact the county's project manager to provide your questions, comments, or suggestions. Hinchey Road is located in the town of Gates and is situated between Pixley Road to the west and Chilai Avenue to the east. Hinchey Road is owned and maintained by Monroe County, while Howard Road and Chilai Avenue, which is New York State Route 33A, belong to New York State Department of Transportation. The project area includes all of Hinchey Road and the intersecting streets. The corridor serves residents along Hinchey Road and surrounding neighborhoods. In addition, it is used as a through route between the southwest side of the city of Rochester and the Gates-Chilai area. Hinchey Road has been a part of the town of Gates for over 100 years. The roadway structure has been maintained through various construction, rehabilitation, and maintenance operations. However, ongoing vehicle use, weather effects, and sheer age of the roadway have created a need for action. The existing roadway is comprised of two 11-foot wide travel lanes. In addition, there is a variable width shoulder along both edges that ranges in width from 2 to 5 feet. The existing pavement cross slopes are variable as well. There are no formal pedestrian accommodations along Hinchey Road, and bicyclists share the roadway with vehicles. Stormwater drainage is accommodated primarily through open sheet flow from the roadway to neighboring lawn areas. Some ditches and lawn swales exist. There are some portions of closed drainage systems and dry wells within the project area. The posted speed limit throughout the project area is 35 miles per hour. Measurements of vehicular speeds obtained in 2019 show that 85% of drivers travel 34 miles per hour or less while traveling the roadway. Monroe County has implemented various maintenance operations since the roadway's original construction. The latest treatments included a mill and resurfacing of the top 1.5 inches within the western portion of the project area from Pixley Road to Howard Road, and a surfacing application known as micropaving for the eastern portion from Howard Road to Chilai Avenue. Both of these maintenance applications took place in 2009. In addition, the New York State Department of Transportation performed an intersection rehabilitation project at Howard Road in 2011. The existing pavement has been found to display minor surface distress in the form of corrugations, wheelpath rutting, and longitudinal cracking predominantly found along the edge lines. There are areas of asphalt raveling found in the eastern portion of Hinchey Road. Lastly, there is settlement and cracking of the roadway adjacent to utility structures like manholes and valves. The roadway serves numerous passenger cars, trucks, and buses. Hinchey Road carries an average of 6,230 vehicles per day as recorded in 2019. Future traffic volumes were established by applying a 2.5% growth rate to existing vehicle trips. Existing and future levels of service were evaluated and found to be acceptable for the project area. We reviewed recorded accident information for the 3-year period from June 1st, 2016 to May 31st, 2019. The data included 60 crashes within a project area, of which 18 were non-reportable, meaning minor incidents. 30 were classified as property damage-only incidents, and 12 included an injury of some form. One accident included a bicyclist. This incident occurred at the Howard Road intersection and has been attributed to the cyclist traveling through the intersection against the red light. Also, there have been no recorded fatalities during the evaluation time period. While analyzing the data, it was found that there is no discernible accident pattern or collision clusters that would indicate the need for corrective design elements. Given the evaluation of the project area, Monroe County is progressing the project to rehabilitate the roadway. The objectives of the project are to correct existing pavement deficiencies, extend the life of the pavement structure to ensure the roadway provides safe, efficient transportation options for the users, improve both surface and subsurface drainage, correct or improve safety within the corridor, and then improve the shoulder area for all roadway users to include bicyclists and pedestrians. The next few slides depict the proposed improvements, which consist of widening the roadway and providing 11-foot wide travel lanes, one in each direction, along with 6-foot wide shoulders and curbing along all of Hinchey Road. As we progress through the project from west to east, the same roadway section will be provided, one travel lane in each direction and widened shoulder. The existing lane configuration will be maintained at Howard Road. Continuing from Howard Road east is the same roadway section. Please note that driveway connections will be reestablished for all neighboring properties throughout the project area. This last slide shows the project approaching Chilai Avenue in the east. Again, the same 11-foot wide travel lane and 6-foot wide shoulder along with curbs will be implemented and connected to all side streets as well. The proposed improvements are depicted in this cross-sectional view. Please note that the alternative will provide new full-depth shoulder construction to accommodate the wider shoulder. Granite curbing will be installed to define the edge of roadway and direct stormwater to a new closed drainage system. Lawn areas will be graded and blended into the new roadside. The planned improvements include a mill and resurfacing of the existing roadway surface to repair the surface distresses and retain the useful roadway structure. New 6-foot wide shoulders will be achieved through a full depth construction to widen the roadway. New closed drainage systems will be constructed throughout to convey stormwater. As mentioned previously, new curbing will be installed. There will be some utility relocations, like utility pole relocations and waterline work included as necessary to allow for the roadway widening. Preliminary design and project study began in 2019, and public documents have been made available online for review and comment. After comments have been received and addressed, Monroe County will begin the development of detailed plans and specifications through the summer of 2021. The project is anticipated to be advertised for contractor bidding during the fall of 2021. Construction is planned to start in May of 2022, with construction being complete in November of 2022. Upcoming tasks include meeting with neighboring residents to discuss project details, if requested. We will also review and address comments received subsequent to this presentation. The project team will complete final detailed design and begin any necessary property coordination. The property coordination is anticipated to be restricted to driveway and lawn grading for the reestablishment of property frontages. Finally, let's review how you can ask questions, offer comments, and provide suggestions to the project manager. Your input is a critical piece of the project development process. You may write, email, or call the county's project manager, Dave Kubiak, using the contact information displayed on the screen. You can also use a comment sheet from the project website or include it in the presentation advertisement letter and return it to our attention. We ask that you provide any comments, questions, or suggestions by February 19th, 2021. Thank you for your interest in the Hinchey Road Rehabilitation Project.